Alright guys, what's up vlog? I was trying to record a video. Where is it? Oh, there. I was trying to record just like a little intro, but I had the windows down and I was flooring it, so I was screaming. I think I was losing my voice. The video is just the ZL1 versus the ZL1 1LE, like, you know, just a little roll race and whatnot, you know, show you comparison. But anyways, both cars are stock, and since November, I think, what are we in? I think we're in May, June? Is today May? Oh yeah, I think today's May. Yeah. Today's May. I've had Kooks long tube headers since November. Have not installed them for the Camaro, my black Camaro ZL1. So today, finally getting around to installing the Kooks long tube headers on Brianna, the old girl. So that's where we're headed right now. We're headed to the shop, see my buddy Frank. Driving in the car just normally right now. What am I doing? 50. So just chilling. It's at what? I don't know, 1200, 1500 RPMs or something like that. 1200. Pretty quiet. Tapping on them. That's with the windows up. So, you know, it doesn't sound bad, but hey, you know, we need some fucking more loud in this bitch. So that is what we're gonna be doing today. You want to race? No? I think... Here vlogging. You're not gonna ask me to say anything. Frank, you just gotta say hi to the vlog. That's it. Frank, you gotta say hi. You gotta turn and say hi to the vlog.
He was like, "Where are you?" Damn, you walk so fast with them damn legs.
Dude, you walk this fucking slow.
I take my leisurely time with things.
So you guys want to say what's up to the vlog? Dude, we've been growing viewers.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Yeah, me too. Dude, when I was putting the wheels on, I bought this jack. For some reason, the jack didn't work. So I had to use Diana's little like Honda jack that like comes with the car, and then I was doing the rear, and the asphalt was so hot that it started like digging in the asphalt, and my legs were underneath the car, and it just started rolling forward. I was like, I was so scared. Look at these bad boys. If you don't get close up, he fires the camera then, okay? It's a vlog.
I try to get the cinematic shot.
You don't need the whole entire damn thing, brother. Hell yeah, dude.
You know how YouTube has a vote? We should vote who likes close-up shots versus nice cinematic
Everybody,
shots.
dude.
What?
I was gonna ask you to, maybe, I don't know, wherever. I think it's gonna end here, and then just maybe like weld the rest of it up.
You can't weld anything.
No,
It's out of gas and wire. Does this require welding?
huh?
Is this going to require welding?
I don't know if this is. I was just talking about like the cat back. I don't think these are. But remember how like this cat back is like leaking where the clamps are? It just leaves like black spots on my garage. Just annoying. Damn. I thought that was gonna be good. I don't know what happened to my camera guy, you know? He's over there taking a nap.
Take two.
Ah, there we go. First header in, brother. Let me hold it.
Well, I need to.
Hey, camera guy. There he is. I'm over here vlogging myself. What the fuck are you doing? You're just sitting there. Huh?
I said I was waiting for you to say something.
Bro, you are the camera guy. You gotta just fucking hold it, brother.
Yeah, that's right.
So I just got the first header in. I'm telling Frank's gonna help me out now. He's gonna cut. Look at the difference between these fucking headers, brother.
Jesus.
That's like you and me. Like when we work out.
Mm-hmm.
That's you when we work out. Like just, you know, twisted and squirmy and tiny.
It hurts.
And that's me. Smooth, strong, powerful. Look at that.
Plus 200 horsepower.
Dude, you gotta show the fucking headers, bro. You got the first one in. Right there. You see? That's the header, bro.
Damn, bro.
It would help the process if you did a burnout. It would probably give Frank some energy. And
I don't know if that would really do anything.
I think it would, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta do it for the blog, dude.
$40 cash might also do it.
Let's go to the back of this thing. Yeah, dude, it's so fucking.
we were gonna rev it, so I was like, man, I gotta stand back.
It was still cold, so I don't want to like rev it.
Blow out my ears.
Dr. Frank's, bro.
Dr. Frank.
If it ain't Mr. V6 himself. What's up, buddy?
Is that your Camaro? That is sexy as hell. I gotta give you I'm Maddie, man. Huh? I'm Maddie. You mad? No, Maddie.
His name is Maddie.
I'm mad at you. I was like, he's like, I don't even know you, bro. Ray promised a burnout.
I said you would probably do a donut or a burnout.
Fuck, you can't make promises for me like that.
Bro, it's on the
What,
vlog.
is he my manager? I tell you what, he's gonna come and do some burnouts for the content and the vlog, and then we're gonna.
You know you want to.
I really do want to. Like, you know, it's my craft. Like,
Yeah. I mean, we're still work. He's still.
He's over here, huh?
He's still over here working.
With Frank?
Yeah.
Oh, so I'm entertainment now?
Yeah. Let's.
Oh, he's working hard as hell. I'm gonna entertain y'all.
This is like old time, bro. People love that video. And now you got hair. You got long hair. You know.
I'm taking it out for the walk.
Oh, let's see it. Oh. AWE catback, got no mufflers, no resonators, a dropped bolt, no cats and long tube headers, brother. That is the definition of a straight pot. So I'm excited how it sounds, guys. Super excited. You gotta say hi to the vlog. You guys remember Pat? He abandoned us.
Hey now, hey.
Oh boy.
I'm still not
Shots
over
fired.
it.
Pew, pew,
I know.
pew, pew.
Huh?
Don't work too hard, man.
I'm not, man. There's always a supervisor on every job, right? What are these, Frank?
Zip tie.
Fucking zip ties, man. Hell yeah. Zip tie life, bro.
Who needs to weld anything? Just zip tie.
I think we're done. Frank, are we done?
I think he said he's washing his hands. You just need clean hands to touch that steering wheel.
No, it's sort of travel.
Fucking headers.
They go way deep.
How do you feel?
I don't know yet, dude.
I don't know yet.
Talk to me when my ears are bleeding.
I don't even know where I should stand. Oh, y'all really getting back there. Yeah? Doesn't start? I was just kidding.
Holy shit.
Out there, you like when it low, you can feel it right here, right now.
Oh, damn.
Fucking fighter jet!
Dude. What do you think, bro? Is it loud, bro?
Dude, that wasn't even like a cold start. It sounded like something getting murdered.
Hell yeah, bro. It was weird. I had to do they like told me to put the window up and down.
He likes it right on.
tune, bro.
Now you gonna rev it?
I felt that rev in my teeth. I was like, are those my teeth?
My back was up against this wall.
Yo, that is fucking loud, dude.
Holy shit. Now we gotta buy a ZR1.
Holy fuck.
Like when it warms up, like it's not that bad, but the cold start was.
Cold start was terrible.
I don't know if you should back into the spots anymore.
I don't think you should be in the garage.
You can never enter your apartment.
No, because there's like a windshield on a car right behind him.
Shatter it every day.
Oh my, that's what I said. That is exactly what I said.
Oh shit, dude!
Every time you start it.
You're gonna ruin everyone's day,
That's loud.
except your own, because it's gonna be
That
awesome.
is so fucking loud.
My room is up too. I don't know. Fucking 5 a.m. getting up in your apartment garage, turning your car on. You're gonna wake the whole fucking apartment up, bro.
People are gonna be like, my daily doesn't sound like that.
How do you do that?
How did you do that? Do it again.
We're just gonna cut the video. Thanks for watching, guys.
Look at